hustle bustle of life has us all as slaves. We don't have time to take care of ourselves. We don't have time to spend hours together to take care of our hair and our body and whatnot. But you know, when it comes to my hair, I have to be a little careful because it is the crown of every woman's head. So I use the L'Oreal Total Repair 5, which is a smoothing and a repairing serum. As you can see, it comes in a small bottle. It comes in various sizes. You can pick which one you want. And I use it on a daily basis and helps me protect my hair from dust and grime and everyday sunlight, which also has an effect on your hair, by the way. So you can see that I have colored my hair out of a whim. So this serum I use on alternate day basis. Every day in the night before I go to bed, I put it on. As you can see, I just put this much on my palm. This is all you need, and you have to rub your palm together and spread it on your palms, and you move your hair to the side, one side, and with a downward motion you apply it. So when you apply it like this, you have to focus on your tips so that the problem area is taken care of. This is where your split ends and all of that start occurring. So this is what you do. To avoid running to the parlor every now and then, getting your trims and all of that, you can do this at home and take care of your hair. So yeah, give it a shot and see how it helps your hair. That was a glance. Hope to see you soon.